Good morning, traders. Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome you to another live webinar here at MarketMinds Mastery. We are ready to dive into the markets, and of course, I hope and I wish everyone is doing great. I hope you're having a good time so far, wherever you are in the world. If you need to ask me anything about charts, about markets, please type your questions on the comment section. And now we are ready to start. So let's start with the euro and the US dollar. Yesterday, despite the fact that the US dollar came up a bit strong, and it was stronger than the rest of the currencies, the euro also gained some strength, and by the end of the trading session, as you see here, it created this hammer price action. Therefore, the price is expected to move upwards. Okay. So if you are trading the lower time frames, like the 15 or 30-minute charts, you see that the price makes a higher high. So if price declines a little bit, it's expected to find some support around this region and to likely resume this move upwards. Australian or Great British Pound and the US dollar. Also, sterling was quite strong yesterday. It clearly rejected this support, and is trying to move upwards. However, keep in mind, guys, that the price at this point here is not trending. Okay, the price stopped trending, is in this kind of range bound market. So if we try to apply trend strategies while the market is not trending, we're going to experience some kind of frustration, disappointment, and maybe you're going to start questioning your ability as traders. So please understand, read the market correct, find out if the market is trending or not, and then start looking to apply strategies for trending market. Or if you identify that the market is, let's say, it's in a range, then you apply ranging strategies. Okay, guys, let's check the gold. The price on the gold, here it is. The price on the gold yesterday clearly created a new low, traded below this low here. So this is the S1 support, and then we do expect, if the price stays below this support, to reach this $1,973 mark. And what's the significant with this one? Let me go to the lower time frame, let's say 15-minute chart. We zoom out a little bit and we see how the market moves. Here it's an area of resistance, and exactly at the middle, I hope you see clearly, or we need to zoom in a little bit. You see this price action, guys? So somewhere in the middle, we do expect the price to react. So if I want to trade short today, the way I trade the 15-minute time frame myself, I'm waiting for the market just to make these higher highs. And the first way, it's a bit more aggressive. I can enter short here to sell with a stop loss above this region. Now, if you will enter short here with a stop loss above there, you have to sit also on the retracements of the price. Okay, The more conservative way of trading is if you wait for the break of this low, and if the price retraces upwards, you can enter either on the 61.8 FIB with a sell limit order. Again, the stop loss to be placed above here, or you can wait for some price action setup to enter short at this area. I hope it's clear and you guys understand it. These are high probability setups, and that's ideally the way we want to trade. Australian dollar, US dollar. The price yesterday reached this support, and actually that's a monthly support, as you see at this point here. And it bounced upwards. We don't know if this upward bounce will sustain and will create buying pressure that it's going to cause the price to reverse. Every reversal, every trend change reversal starts from a bounce of a support, but we don't know which one it's going to cause. So maybe because we enter in a downtrend, maybe the market will stop somewhere here and move lower. Maybe today it's going to move lower. We don't know. That's why I explained you many times, when you are trading, you always want to understand, and write this down, guys, the room of opportunity you have as retail trader. So the price from this point here, from this R1 inside resistance, as I marked it, until this S2 monthly support, we identify that we can trade here, and preferably to short from here to there, but we need some kind of structure, we need some kind of strategy to do that. So I hope you guys agree. So on the lower time frame, there were multiple of opportunities to capitalize on that move. You just need to be present and look at the charts. So there were all these swings here, but by the time the price touched the support, we don't know if it's going to bounce upwards or if it's going to break. So if we expect it to break, we have to wait for a clear break and close below the support, and then we will look to go short from that point. All right. Any questions? Some people said hello from Cambodia. Hello, welcome guys. Welcome everyone. New Zealand, US dollar, same scenario. We marked this support here, and the price almost touched the support. Not much of activity compared to the Australian, Euro, and Pound so far. If you see on the right side, for now, the Pound moved by 0.15%, Euro 0.16%, Australian dollar 0.15%, and New Zealand 0.02%. And we see it on the price action, very minimal activity. That means it means that the price simply it's not that strong, let's say the New Zealand dollar compared to the Australian, Euro, and Pound. And if you check the Euro New Zealand and the Pound New Zealand on the right side, you will see that all of them are green. Okay, that reveals the weakness on the New Zealand dollar that is greater than the strength of the Euro and the Pound and the Aussie. So if we check the lower time frames, the price really didn't come to touch the support. So if some traders, they think that here is an opportunity, maybe we can sell from this point here with a stop loss maybe above this area, and we try to go short to target this level here. USD Canadian dollar. This is an interesting one because yesterday we had these levels here, as you guys see, the 60. Look at this chart. I believe it's one of the best opportunities for today, in my opinion, based on my analysis here. So that was an inside resistance that penetrated by the price and it canceled it. Okay, so we don't look at this anymore and we remove it from the chart. Also, I took the levels from here to there, 61 point. I think that's because I did it on the weekly chart. Let me double check again. It was from here to there, or from here. I took it from the weekly chart, so let's check it out. Yeah, it was from here on the weekly chart to there. But why is not? Yeah, it was from here to there. So the 61.8 FIB level aligns with this inside support here. Let's go back to the daily. But the most important thing is that it was a monthly support here that I marked on the chart some time ago, and the price clearly rejected this monthly resistance, not support. So we do expect to see move to the downside. Now, in this particular, and here is the thing, guys, to learn in this webinar. Okay, so pay attention to that. When the price, let's say price is at resistance, we identify the resistance. We see a price action, a shooting star, which is a very strong price action reversal. Now, if this shooting star doesn't cause the price to collapse and move to the downside quite aggressively, like the price you see at resistance here, look at this, it moved aggressively to the downside, or from here it moved aggressively to the downside, from there it moved within a couple of candles. You want to see the price moving away and within significant strength from the resistance. If you don't see that happens, it means that the market is not gonna it's not gonna likely to reverse. So maybe it's gonna be the beginning of a trend continuation, like we explained a couple of weeks ago. I think last week we explained that on the Japanese yen currency pairs. All right. So from here, yes, I'm looking to sell it, and most likely I will sell it today. But in the next 2 daily sessions, if the price won't move away and penetrate all this buying pressure, then the sellers are not there and I will just get out of the position. Simple as that. Okay, that's a bit aggressive way of trading, but again, trading, it's all about probabilities. We have plans, and you see, I explain you the plan. Price is at resistance. There is a reversal price action. We have these nice lower highs and lower lows still maintained by the market. So everything looks all right, but we have to also be prepared how we're going to react if the price won't behave the way we expect it. USD, Japanese yen, another resistance here caused the price to pause, at least temporarily. Here the market is clearly in an uptrend with significant strength by the buyers, higher highs and higher lows all the way. So we are looking, I'm not looking to sell this one, to be honest. Great British Pound against the Japanese yen. Price, again still makes higher highs and higher lows, there is room for the price to move until this one. And today on the 15-minute chart, I will be looking to go long, not short. So here is a 15-minute chart. Now I'm doing the analysis, if you prefer it that way. We identify there is a channel at this point. We can draw this channel here. So if the price penetrates this high, I will be looking to buy with a stop loss below the lows here for a 2-to-1 move upwards. Okay, if the price continue moving lower, definitely we will have this support zone as the area we will watch for. Newcomer here, someone says, what have I missed? Pretty much nothing. We started the way you join. I just read the message now. Euro JPY, same. Price makes higher highs and higher lows. An uptrend, clear uptrend, guys. So we are looking to buy. We don't know for how long this is gonna keep moving upwards before the retracement, but everything is still bullish here. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, as well as the Kiwi Japanese yen, nothing significant, very insignificant higher highs, so they don't really help us. The Swissy against the Japanese yen, it still makes some higher highs, all-time high actually. There are negative divergence here, as you can see from the RSI indicator. WTI, we checked the gold earlier. So WTI yesterday during the Asian session and London session and towards the mid of the New York session, the market was moving lower, but by the end of the New York session, the market rallied and created this bullish hammer. Okay, so I said many times, price here is moving pretty much nowhere. So if you're trading price action, understand that high probabilities are to trade price action with trend or at well-defined support and resistance, not in the middle of no man's land. We talked about the goal that if price will find resistance here on the lower time frames, we might going to see the price to move lower. So let's see what's going to happen. German 40 finally, after this significant run, started towards the end of November last year, and it lasts for 1.5 months, pretty much, for 5 weeks actually. Price start to retrace a little bit. US 100, Nasdaq. This one was a good opportunity to trade short, but this area here, it's an area of support. Now we don't know what's going to happen. The market really, if you are trading for the trend reversal, guys, sometimes the market takes ages to create the reversal. All right, so please understand that and be patient if you are trading this kind of setups. That's why we prefer to trade the strong trending market, because it's easier to move faster with the price. UK 100 or FTSE, due to the pound strengthen, the index is weakened, of course. So that's if someone took a short position from there, from that inside candle. US 30 as well as S&P 500, they behave similarly with the Nasdaq, the US 100. So all of them at resistance, and they are maybe we said maybe because we don't know what's going to happen for sure, they're going to maybe move to the downside. Next one, Aussie New Zealand. Aussie New Zealand. Price makes this bullish rejection of this support. Now, if it's going to sustain the move or not, we don't know really what's going to happen, but it's really nothing here. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, directional move. Price broke below this monthly support. So technically, we say we are in a downtrend now. I'm looking to sell it. This one is on my watch list for short positions. And yep, that will be interesting. Same with the New Zealand Canadian dollar. New Zealand, it's more weak than the others, so it might gonna be helpful to trade this to the short side. New Zealand CHF at this support, I don't really care what's gonna happen, and I'm not interested to trade, as well as the Aussie Swiss franc and the Canadian dollar Swissy. We will see what's going to happen with this one here. All right, guys, we did analysis of everything. Okay, except the USD CHF price came at this level. If you check from this high to this low, 61.8 here, price rejected this area. There is an inside resistance here. Inside resistance, price get rejected. We are interested really to see what's going to happen at this point. Maybe the buyers today, they will step in. We just want to see sellers to create a low below this one here for us to say we are on the short side. All right, guys, that's all from me today from MarketMinds Mastery. I hope you're enjoying the webinar, and I hope you definitely found some value on the webinar, because that's the point. We want to add value to your trading and to your understanding of trading, price action, and more. So myself and the MarketMinds Mastery Academy would like to wish everyone to have a fantastic day ahead. Enjoy your afternoon or your mornings, and I will see you tomorrow at the same time. Bye, everyone.